What's happening? So, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to share with you a very simple way, a very low cost way for you to literally take $5 and flip it into $300, $1,200, and so forth, ongoing for doing something so simple. And what I'm talking about here is the Acorns app. It's an investment app which essentially makes it very simple for you to start investing your money, making your money grow, making your dollars become employees for you, right? Working for you. And what they do, and what I think is really cool, is they have these promotions. So, like, for example, this week, they have a promotion for get $350 when you refer two friends. So, when two friends join, they're going to give you an investment of $350 and you didn't do anything other than just share it with a couple friends, right? So as you can see, ready to earn your 350 bonus, tap the button below to share your referral link. Okay, so there's going to be a referral link below this video or on a page or wherever you're seeing this. So you go ahead and just click on the link and create your account. And then all you have to do is make your first investment of $5. That's it. So, and once you do that, one, they're going to give you $5 just for doing that. So if we come over here, just for doing that, you get your $5. Like, so they're going to give you $5. And then every time someone you refer signs up and they do this process, you'll get $5 too as well. But in order to hit the promotion for this week, it's only two people. Sometimes it's five people, sometimes it's six people. These promotions range. So some weeks, like this week, it's kind of low. It's only 350, but you only need to refer two friends. Last week it was $1,200. Again, you're investing like $5. Again, you're investing, not spending, investing. And they even give you $5 when you sign up. So there's really nothing to lose here and everything to gain. And what's cool about this is the promotions are ongoing. They pretty much do these every week. I've been doing these for years now. And, for a while I wasn't really paying any attention to it, but I got to thinking about it. I'm like, well, one of the things you want to be doing is you want to be growing your money, right? You want your money to be working for you. And one way to do that is dollar cost averaging, which this makes it very simple. You just set up a certain amount you want to go in every week, every month, whatever it is, and it will do that. It will also take like there's something on here where like as you can see, fries were 250, you paid $3. The 50 cents is invested into your account. So you can set that up too. There's all kinds of ways to make it very simple. But one of the things I like about this is you could really start growing your money from these offers. If you just start sharing these offers with other people, and there's a lot of people out there that could use extra money, right? I mean, where else can you do that? Like, where else can you take $5 and flip it into $1,200 or flip it into thousands? Because that's what you're able to do with this just by sharing it with a few people. Okay, so how can you share it? Well, you could do like I'm doing here. You can make a video. Very simple to do. It's not hard. You're just talking about what it is. And I'm not even doing the full demo. I'm just like, this is the offer. Sign up, go to the link, invest your $5, and you're going to get a referral link where you can go and share it with people. And then if those people go ahead and create their account, just for creating an account, you will get $5. But if they don't invest, whatever you get your five. Then if I'm sorry, if they invest, if they do everything, you'll get the $5. If you get your two for this particular offer, right? For this particular offer, they're going to give you $350 just for doing that. So, it amazes me when I come across people in the United States, mind you. And I'm not trying to be insulting in any way. There are so many opportunities that require so little income for you to get started, where you could flip that money into something that really make a difference for you. In this case, today it's 350, or this week, next week it might be 1,000, it might be 700, I don't know. But these are ongoing promotions that you can participate in, and you're investing $5. So I think it's pretty cool personally. It's just a referral program to bring more people to the app. I use the app. It's very simple to use. By the time you can you can do it however you want to do it. There's like a retirement plan, there's a savings plan. You can set it up to save for your kids. There's all kinds of things you can do that with this, and you can definitely check it out by going to the site, going to the link, and learning more about what this is. Okay, maybe you already have this, and if you already have this is an opportunity for you to go out and make some money, and you could be doing this every week and stacking your investment, right? Growing your investment. So that's just something I started thinking about, and I was like, wow, that's really, if you really think about it, we're talking $5. That's less than a fast food meal. And you could flip it many times over. Like I said, they do these promotions just about every week. They range in what they pay, but they do these every week. And you can withdraw it into your bank account. Like if you don't want to leave it in there, if you don't want to invest it, you can withdraw it. That's what I've done before. Like I've done some where I've had $900, right? So they do pay. It is legit. It is simple. Um, and all it is just you going out and sharing it with other people. And they get $5 just for signing up. So it's pretty cool. And like I said, if you, for this week particular, it's just two people. Some weeks it's more, but it's never a lot of people. Like it's like five. I mean, maybe seven max. And the only thing that I don't like, and they've improved this actually, when I used to do this, there wasn't really a lot of feedback about who you were referring and all that. Now they send an email and they give you a report and go, oh, this is how many referrals you have for this week. So they actually have a report. Before they didn't have that, you had to go log in, look for it. The other thing that I wasn't really a fan of was I never knew when people were investing. Like that, I had to wait. Like there was no communication. I couldn't see who it was that was doing it. I see a first name. I don't know if I see a first name. I don't remember exactly, but um, yeah, you see a first name. My bad. You see a first name. You don't see a last name. You don't have any other information. So you don't exactly know where they are in the process. And some people will come in, they'll sign up, but they won't invest for whatever reason. I don't know why, but it's $5. Like it's not a big deal, right? Um, so do something that can really benefit you. Do something that can really help you start growing your money, making your money work for you. And they give you the opportunity to really start maximizing that, really start growing that without having to do a whole lot for it. So, yeah, you can put in your own hard-earned money and have that grow for you, but why not take advantage of you you know you may just want to take advantage of these promotions because it's like free money, right? It's free money. So anyway, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Go to the link in the description. Click on that link. Remember, you must invest $5. So let me just go back over here. Is it here? Yeah, it's here, right here. These are the rules. Go to the referral link. You must invest at least $5 before 10/19 for this promotion. Okay, for this promotion. And then they just said the bonuses will be invested within 30 days. Before I was getting it like within the week. Maybe it was 2 weeks. But this is a real deal. This is a way for you to make some extra money fairly easily. Um, and I definitely recommend taking advantage of this. I know I am. This is something that I am adding to what I do weekly because I mean it's money that's there, help you grow your retirement account, your savings account, whatever it is you want to do. Maybe you just need the cash. Maybe you just need the cash. This is an opportunity for you. So that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. See you on the next one.